In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open link in WPS Mobile. Hyperlinks are a common feature in documents, and knowing how to open them correctly on your mobile device can save you time and make working with WPS much easier. Whether you're accessing references, websites, or connected resources, these simple methods will help you open links efficiently. There are two main ways to open a hyperlink in the WPS mobile app. The first method is to long press the linked text. When you press and hold the linked text, a menu will appear with several options. From this menu, tap the option labeled Hyperlink. This will immediately open the link in your default mobile browser or relevant app, allowing you to view the content without affecting your document. This method is particularly helpful if you want to make sure you are selecting the hyperlink itself rather than accidentally editing the text. The second method is even simpler for quick access. Simply tap the hyperlink once and a small pop-up will appear directly above the text. This pop-up displays the link and provides a direct option to open it. Tap the link in the pop-up and it will open immediately in your browser or associated application. This method is faster when you just want to quickly open a single hyperlink without navigating through menus. Both of these methods are designed to make mobile navigation smoother, since tapping or long pressing is the standard way to interact with touch devices. Using these options ensures that you open hyperlinks correctly without unintentionally modifying your document. Once the link is opened, you can view the content or reference material as needed. After reviewing the information, you can easily return to your document and continue editing or reading without any disruption. This keeps your workflow uninterrupted and maintains the integrity of your file. Practicing these two methods will make you more comfortable navigating hyperlinks in WPS Mobile, whether you're working on reports, notes, or shared documents. It also ensures that you can access linked resources efficiently, even on the go. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.